Hey guys, welcome back to Top Shelf Toys again from My Little Pony. This is the Pop series. This is Princess Twilight Sparkle and Princess Cadence. This Pop series is super cool because you just pop them right out of this little thing here. You can use all the accessories. It looks like it comes with hair. Ooh, that's like a little yarn hair. Yarn mane. Pretty cool. Let's take a look at the back and see what they look like. So yeah, snap it, pop it, style it, switch it. Look at that one. That is super cool. But yeah, from My Little Pony Pop, that is Princess Twilight Sparkle and Princess Cadence. Super awesome.